With this, I want you to become an expert on artificial intelligence.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Bert and I'm a data scientist. I work with neural networks every day and I still feel the excitement when the network learns and provides amazing results. With this course, I want to enable you to become highly qualified in deep learning with PyTorch, so that you can apply your knowledge and train your own networks. After the course, you will know about tensor handling, regression and classification models, convolutional neural networks for image classification, object detection and style transfer, recurrent neural networks, autoencoders, generative adversarial networks, and much more. For every major class of network architecture, details are provided in theory and practice. With this knowledge, you can clearly identify a problem at hand and develop and implement a plan to solve it. I chose practical examples that are all relevant and interesting to work with. At the same time, I have developed examples which can run on a normal computer, and you do not need a powerful GPU for this course, because the course is dedicated to understanding and implementing concepts. So you really want to understand deep learning and how you can apply it to solve problems? You are willing to learn and want to have a steep learning curve? Then this course is right for you. We will start with basics and rapidly move on to ambitious techniques like CNNs and RNNs. And we will finish with top-notch network architectures like generative adversarial networks. The course is suitable for Python users who have at least some programming experience and want to dive into the world of deep learning with PyTorch. Buy the course now and I will be happy to welcome you. Don't wait any longer. See you in the course.